Welcome to Daxue Talks, a show powered by Daxue Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010. With Daxue Talks, you will stay up to date with all the latest business updates in China. Every day, you will learn from China-based experts who share their knowledge about the Chinese market in 2 to 5 minutes.
I'm Nicolas Coster. I am a business lawyer, French business lawyer. I have been in China for 16 years. I'm specialized in foreign direct investment. So basically, I set up companies in China and I also sometimes liquidate them.
What new rules and tax benefits should be expected after the virus outbreak?
What to expect is probably some tax incentive for VAT and for enterprise income tax. But now it's not so clear, and we just called Shanghai this morning and they told us, for example, for social charges, they are discussing about it, but this is not final. What is sure today is if you didn't declare in time your VAT or your enterprise income tax or your social charges, they will be flexible and they will accept you to delay the declaration. So at the moment, it's what we have, and the Chinese government says that they will inject a lot of money in the economy, but we are not sure how it will go and in which channel it will take.
What is the virus impact on the logistics from a legal point of view?
Okay, it's very simple. All the query has to be delivered at the gate of the office designated by the management, or at the gate of the compounds designated by the management. They are not allowed to come up. They don't want foreign people from outside to come in the building. You have some exception. If you want a client to visit your office, it's possible, but he has to declare himself to the management, to give his phone number, his name, to say where he's coming from, where he's going. And then you have to send somebody downstairs to pick up the client and to come to your office. Okay. So for queries, they are not allowed to enter, except if it's very heavy things, then they accept you to take the query up. But each building, each place is different. So you have to check with your own management to see what is the local regulation. And for external query from outside Shanghai, for example, or other cities, it depends of each company if they have enough people to handle the sending. But normally, most of them are working. It could take longer. I received a DHL from Europe. It took like 10 days to arrive, but it's arrived.
What effect does the current outbreak have on visas?
Okay, so for visa, the police, the public security office and the labor bureau say that if you got as foreigner dismissed during this period, you need to extend your visa because you are under quarantine, or if you change your job or your visa expired, it's possible for you to apply for extension of 30 days extension. So this is normal special visa extension. And if you are not able to leave because you are under quarantine, of course, it's possible for you to extend again as long as you need to be in quarantine. So there is no specific issue. The most important for you is to declare yourself to the public security office. If you are not able to leave home, you just call 110 and they will send you somebody. And for labor permit application, now most of the time they accept, at least in Shanghai and Beijing, that you apply online and you even don't need to go to pick up the card. That means they will use your own labor permit card to extend your labor permit, and they will change the QR information to say that it was extended. So you don't need to go to the physical card at the labor office. So they will be very flexible. The most important, you declare what is your situation, and then they will advise you what to do.
Are there any restrictions on tourists and business visas for people who want to go to China currently?
No, today there is no restriction for tourist visa, business visa. I didn't hear about any restriction. Of course, if you apply to go to Wuhan because you have people in Wuhan or you work in Wuhan, it will not be possible. You will not be allowed to go to Wuhan. But for other parts of China, it should be okay.
Any questions? We will find an expert to answer them. Drop your questions in the comments or send us an email, dx@daxueconsulting.com.